Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Nubia. You need to start by accessing calendar and clicking on the bottom right corner. Now just got it, and finally click on the month above. From here you can pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and then create your event by choosing this plus icon at the bottom right corner and tapping on event over here. Now just adjust it however you wish to. For example, you could add a title to it, pick starting hour or ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely as well by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Now tap on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, for example, every year. If you don't, just select Does Not Repeat. Now you can add people, videos, select Add Location, click on while using the upper only this time, type in an address and click on the correct result. Now set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, change color of it, and even take notes and add attachments. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you want to make some changes, just click on it, tap on this pen icon at the top right corner, make them, and then choose Save at the top right corner as well. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to click on it, tap on those three dots at the top right corner instead, select Delete and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!